In this video, I'll show you how to install Isofix car seat. Firstly, find the Isofix anchorage points in your car. You may need to remove a cover or fill between the back of the seat and bench seat to access them. Now, extend the Isofix arms from the child seat, and if your car seat includes a top tether strap, get it ready for attachment. Line up the Isofix anchor arms with the car's anchor points and push the seat until it clicks into place. A green indicator may appear to confirm the seat is securely locked. Now, Isofix bars often extend to accommodate different seat depths. Retract the bars so that the child's seat backrest fits snugly against the car's backrest. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.